Darling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. Darling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today I'm going to be doing a 90s blowout look. This video is sponsored by Nadula Amazon. They sent me over their 5x5 thin lace wear and go Yaki straight wig. So let's unbox her. Like I mentioned earlier, this is their thin lace. It is their 5x5, which I absolutely love 5x5. It's similar to a U-part, not that much lace space, which I like because I'm usually a middle part person, but you do have the option to do a side part if you want. I also feel like, or at least personally for me, the bigger the lace is, the more intimidated I am by the wig. When I see a 5x5, I'm like, okay, I got this. This is gonna look good regardless of if I'm a beginner or pro. Pre-cut, pre-tinted, pre-plucked, gorgeous hairline. I love the parting on here as well. This is 24 inches and the density on this wig is 150. I am going to tighten up this part right here. I like to bring it all the way to this side. There's also a comb at the very back of the wig as well as straps on each side that helps with making the wig nice and tight. Before we put it on, I'm going to put the Ruby Kisses Matte Powder Foundation in the color 13. I'm gonna put this on the inside of the wig. Just get it nice and coated with my color. And now that we got the wig on, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna touch up the front here with the same powder.
Soundstripe.
That step is done. Okay, now let's get into the fun part. So we're gonna be cutting layers. First, what I'm gonna do is section off the front of my hair because that's where I really want the layering and the face framing to be. I don't really care about the back. But the front, I want it to be done right. So let's see. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do first is part out two tiny pieces here in the front. So that way that will be my starter guide on where my layer will begin in the beginning, and we're just gonna take it all the way down.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Okay, so now that I got my little section here, what I'm gonna do is cut right above my lip. We got both sides even. What I'm going to do now is take another piece, section it off, and cut downward. So we want to make sure that we don't cut the front pieces that we did. We're going to use those as a guide, okay?
Sound stripe. 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 Sound stripe.
Next, I'm going in with my wax stick and hot comb to just touch up these areas up front. Let's just make it nice and flat before we curl and add our rollers in.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
I'm gonna start from the back and work my way up. I got this awesome 36 roller set from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box if you guys wanna take a look at it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using these. And for the back of my hair, I'm going to be curling away. And for the front of my face, I'm gonna be curling forward.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
This one turned out way better. So I'm gonna be using this size jumbo roller for the back curls.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
I'm not gonna lie guys, the curls are slightly stressing me out, but fingers crossed.
Sound stripe. 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 Sound stripe.
Okay, guys, this is where we are right now. I have one piece in the back that I've kind of been neglecting because I just feel like I just don't know how I want it curled. I feel like I'm gonna break it up in half for sure, but put it on one roller, if that makes sense.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Pieces like so. Grab the jumbo. Make sure it's nice and smooth on there so that way your ends won't be frizzy.
Sound stripe. 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 Sound stripe.
Okay, I'm done, and I'm gonna let these curls sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll take a look at what they look like. I'm so nervous. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been around 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and take these rollers out and see what the curls are looking like.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
This is what the curls look like. Honestly, not too shabby for it being my first time. Let's do a little bit more hairspray.
Sound stripe.
Any loose pieces in the back that just didn't really work out, I'm actually gonna go in and curl them again. We might be able to save it. We might be able to save the style. And I think so. It's really just the back. The front, everything else really listened and did a really good job.
Sound stripe.
I think it turned out really good. It's definitely giving 90s, because this is how those curls were back in the day. And the best part is that it's glueless, okay? So this is what the middle part looks like. Let's see what a side part looks like. I'm gonna comb mine over.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Now we're getting it. Now I'm really starting to see it. So if your curls from the rollers don't work out, just go in with your curler again. It's okay.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Okay guys, so this is the final result. I'm absolutely obsessed. It turned out way better than expected. Oh, and just so you guys know, yes, she is still glueless. Oh, let me show you guys how it looks from the back. I'm 5 foot for reference, and this wig is 24 inches. So this is what it looks like on me. I will have everything about this hair linked in the description box, as well as the VELCRO rollers. Nadula, Amazon, thank you so much for sending over this wig. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.